Ah, so few moments back, I came back from the Victoria Court over here, back in Victoria. So listen, I gotta give my schedule now. So while I was traveling from here, my sister called somewhere near Koperkerane. I don't understand the route directly go to Victoria Court from here. I don't know how to do it. So I took that Koperkerane. So from Vashi till there I traveled. So, somewhere near over there, my sister calls up on my mother's phone. I had to carry my mother's phone, and because of checking her phone, what do you call it? There was a minor accident at this time. Somewhere around 147, it will show the mirror image. So, I went into a minor accident, and then I went further towards the court. When I reached the Vickroli court, I saw that guy. The people who live around Siraj, huh? One of them I recognized. I asked him what happened. He told me his brother's scene is there, and I was like, he asked me as well, what happened to you? Mola, I got a lot of property they wanted. Shall we give it to them? They gave usko. So he was laughing. He came to know what I am going to do to them. तो मैंने उसको ऐसा बोला कि मेरे पास बहुत प्रॉपर्टी उनको चाहिए, देहू में देते उनको, चल देते. तो एवरीवन गॉट इट कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. जो मेरे को पहचानते वो बराबर पहचानते कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ. सो I called up my lawyer, the lawyer who supposed to give me this. So this is the grand finale. So these are the reports. This is the summons, which was given from court to police station somewhere around 29th of August 2024. And I can see my parents, my family members, after the I did the petition thing, police, we were called there, and we were, what do you call it? They wanted to know more about that this case, and our statements are there, but there is not a single statement of the suspects. So only accusers. I mean the accuser. I am the accuser. Applicant, let me see again. What is the term, real term? So I am the applicant here. Applied for forensic reports and various other crimes. So, 8th of August, from 8th of August, I think 2-3 hearings must have happened. Huh? And I don't want to give the procedure what the court decides after 2-3 hearings, suspects are not present in court. I don't want to give that procedure. It happens right away. So I don't want to speak about that thing. When suspects are not, the what do you call it? The accused is not present in court, or there is no single statement in the police report, then I don't have to, what do you call it, give what is the procedure. So, so what? So, did Siraj send those people to plant phone location on me or something like that? But I am presenting the phone, it's written in the petition. It's written in the petition. I want to know 24 May 2022. Where was the thing planted? The first message plantation, where was it done? I was in Chembur. And 19 November I was in somewhere in Chembur. And devices were here. 19 or 20 November, yes, somewhere over there. So I kept the phone over here and with my devices, and they took the, so I want to know this stuff, right? 2024 or 2023, 19 November somewhere. So I want to know that stuff. So accuser, I mean I am the accuser, what is it? I am the applicant. I did my part, huh? And one who is not present, evidences are there, that's why they have to present them. Evidence of everything, evidences of everything is there, because it's their own trend to viral data, so the evidences are also viral. Is there a pattern of, so I said before, I want to present devices. It's right there written in the petition in 2023. Telling this fact. I want to know what has been happening. So even last night, where did the phone travel? Who took my t-shirt? Who took my clothes? Right? Everything will be included. And I'm not worried about this device presentation, because all the accusations will be gathered, including the surveillance where I was. And surveillance are also viral. So if Siraj was trying to send it few people in court, so what it will harm me? What it will harm me when I am presenting the devices by myself? I am presenting my surveillance. I am giving my surveillance to police. Check it out, who has done this. How the laptop, not the laptop, the CCTV drive turns into the desktop drive. Even police want to know. Even the world wants to know. Who took the control of those surveillances and those cameras inside my house and spreaded nudes of my family all over. Everyone wants to know this. So it's written right there in the petition. Whatever the things are, whatever the stuff is. And J7, J7 is also getting presented. Thank you for making those sex videos from the clone. Scammers made sex videos from the clone that is getting presented. With the surveillances as well, where I was. So, 3 fucking years. So anyways, if Siraj sent few people to plant phone location or whatever they want to do in court today, what I got to do? What I got to do? मैंने तो सामने पूछा एक लड़के को, वो बोलता है उसके भाई का है कुछ केस है। मैं बोला मेरे को क्या, मैं बोला मेरे पास बहुत प्रॉपर्टी है, उनको चाहिए सबको, देते क्या, देंगे क्या, चल देते। वो हंसने लग गया, उसको समझ में आया मैं क्या करने वाला है। जो लोग मेरे को जानते हैं उनको बराबर मालूम है मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ। जो लोग मेरे को नहीं जानते वो नहीं जानते। No? And it's good Siraj did this in court. It's good. So while going from here, my sister called. By the tell of someone, they wanted to show someone else is calling on my number, on my phone. But it was not. It was my sister 147. I mean 1347. My sister called, and I was on the highway, and there was a minor accident while checking the phone, and they portrayed someone was filming me, or the road surveillance were being watched. So they wanted to show I am on a call with someone from here is calling me. It was my sister, 147. Okay. And that was done by the tell-off scammers. My sister calls on my mother's number by tell-off scammers. So anyways, now these are the court procedures. I can't tell. मैं उनके डिसीजन जैसे वो मेरे डिसीजन के बीच में कुछ बोल नहीं सकते, वैसे मैं उनके डिसीजन के बीच में कुछ बोल नहीं सकता उनका प्रोसीजर के बारे में. जैसे मेरा अभी फाइल्स वायरल है, मेरा भी एक प्रोसीजर है. जैसे वो मुझे कोई कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकता, वैसे ही कोर्ट का भी प्रोसीजर रहता है. वो कोई कुछ नहीं बोल सकता, हम बीच में नहीं बोल सकते, उनके हिसाब से होता है. हम तो टाइम टू टाइम डिटेल्स देते हैं, सब टाइम टू टाइम रखते हैं. हम बैंक भी गए, सब फिजिकल एक्सेस सब देते रहते हैं हम इवेंट्स. सो इट्स आउट इन दी ओपन.